my head. Freedom feels just right, like I truly long there. Leaving all the worries, they're far behind. On this motorcycle road trip, peace I find. Ride through the mountain, under the sky so blue. Every mile's a story, every ride feels blue. Dust trails behind me, sun on my back. Got my leather jacket and a well-worn map. No destination, just the road's embrace. Riding free and wild, keeping my own pace. Through fields and valleys, where the horizon's wide. Every twist and turn, the journey